Hi Aquarius, hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. You can also watch your moon, rising, and Venus placement kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell Aquarius, and please watch until the end of the video to support my channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for this month of June. For Aquarius, please. Okay. Merong celebration na mangyayari, Aquarius. Okay. Merong good news kasi na kayong matatanggap. Good news. Merong biyahe na mangyayari. Okay, maybe you've been waiting for this, Aquarius. Parang bigla na lang ikaw makakatanggap ng information. Okay, siguro matagal mo na itong inantay. Okay, bigla ang information or balita. Magandang balita para sa inyo. Merong celebration. Okay? Yeah, you will be victorious, okay? Yung matagal mo nang iniisip, pinag-iisipan, okay? Magkakaroon na ng solusyon, magkakaroon ka na ng mental clarity. Okay? You will have a new home, okay? New address, new location. You feel that you are very supported by the universe, okay? You will get all the favor. Okay? Spiritually, you will feel very happy, okay? Aquarius. Yung akala mo wala nang mangyayari, pero biglang makakatanggap ka ng magandang balita, makakatanggap ka ng truth, ng clarity, ng sagot or solusyon sa matagal mo nang inaantay. Okay, Aquarius? Oh. You are leaving. Okay? Aalis ka, may pupuntahan ka, magandang lugar, magandang sitwasyon. You will feel very confident, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili. You will have the pride, okay? Meron kang pinag-iisipan kung ano yung mga next step or next move ninyo, Aquarius. Yeah. Iniisip mo na yung kaperahan. Okay? Mga magandang mangyayari sa inyo. Good plans. You're thinking about it already. How to buy this one, mga malalaking bahay. Okay? May mga malaking buildings, no? Kung nakikita ninyo. So, maybe you will be transferring. Okay? Aquarius. Iniisip nyo na kung paano kayo kikita or kumita ng malaking pera. Yeah, you are planning. You know that you will have to make a decision. Okay, Aquarius? Pero huwag kayo mag-alala because kung ano man yung gagawin ninyo na decision, ang mapupuntahan nyo ay mabuti. Okay? A good situation. When it comes to money, when it comes to the location, it's going to be a better place. Okay? You will have this confidence and pride in yourself. Okay. For some of you, mag-ingat din sa mga betrayal. Okay? Or you are already thinking about what are the best thing to do. Okay? Ano yung mga next step na gagawin mo? Mga strategies. Okay? Paano ka makaalis? Ano yung mga aayusin mo? You are thinking about that already, Aquarius. You have plans. Okay? For some of you, mangingibang bansa. You are thinking about your family. There is going to be a celebration. Kasi naging successful ka, Aquarius. Nice. Yeah. This is good news for your family. And you feel so very supported, okay, by the universe. You feel good about yourself. Parang na-overwhelm ka, no, sa good news na matatanggap mo or na mangyayari sa inyo. See? Na-overwhelm ka. Okay? Maybe for some of you, you will get advices, okay, from a wise person, sa isang mabait na tao na tutulong sa inyo. Okay? Advice on how to move forward. You feel very happy, but you're parang hindi mo lang napapakita, okay? You're just keeping it to yourself. Okay? So, meron kang pagdidesisyonan, okay? For now, parang hindi mo pa nakikita, but soon you will. Okay? There is celebration. Achievements na mangyayari. You will be victorious. Your family will be very happy. You will do a lot of planning. Okay? Looking forward ka na. Okay? This is overseas. You are thinking of the strategies, the steps, yung next movement mo, next mo na gagawin to move forward, to transfer. Okay? This is very good news, Aquarius. Let's see kung ano pa yung messages for you. Matagal mo na tong inantay, yung akala mo walang mangyayari, but then parang bigla ka na lang makakatanggap ng message, text, email, phone calls. Okay? And it calls for a celebration. Nagkaroon ka na ng mental clarity, parang nabuhayan ka uli, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius, please. Aquarius. Our message. Torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka na ng enlightenment. Okay? Karoon na ng solusyon yung mga iniisip ninyo. Yung pinoproblema, iniisip. Handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. Okay? Maybe you will be meeting a person na makakatulong sa inyo. Magbibigay ng mga opportunities na hindi mo inakala. Will. Indecisiveness. Allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Okay? So, indecisiveness. But you know, alam mo na at the end of the day, you will have to come to a conclusion. Okay? Kailangan mo mag-decide. Do not be confused. Do not think too much. Do not overthink. Quill. Get back to the basics. Okay? Get back to the basics, Aquarius. Ano yung objective ninyo? Okay? Mule. Someone is extremely stubborn and unwilling to change. Okay? Merong someone sa paligid ninyo, maybe a friend, okay, a family member, matigas ang ulo. Okay, hindi nakikinig sa inyo. Stress ka. Flag, do not be tempted to lower your standards. Okay. Do not lower your standards sa mga taong matitigas ang ulo. Hindi nakikinig sa inyo sa mga good ideas or mga magandang advice ninyo. Okay? Huwag niyong patulan. Pag ayaw, hayaan na lang. Okay? Okay, so, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo for Aquarius, please. Aquarius. 12-12. Okay? Kung madalas ito nakikita, yung number na 12-12, this is the message for you. Stay focused on your best possible future and remain optimistic throughout the entire journey. Your angels are right behind you as you turn your dreams into reality. Okay? So, ito, parang tamang-tama, may confirmation, okay, ng reading ninyo. Good luck to you, Aquarius. All the best. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.